Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kimberly Jules here with another wig review. Before we get into the details of this unit, we have to talk about the lippy. The lippy that I'm wearing is a liquid lipstick from Amoren Beauty. And this is in the color Barely Nude. And this is part of their lip smoothie line. I will put the link in the description box below to where you can purchase this lippy. So, today, this wig that I'm wearing was sent to me by Neflyonwigs. Thank you so much to Neflyon, or is it Neflyon? Thank you so much for sending me this wig. I really appreciate it. This is actually the second wig that I'm reviewing for Neflyonwigs. I will put the link above to the first wig that I reviewed for this company. So this is different. This is in a salt and pepper type color. Now I've not done quite a color like this, but I've done white, silver. I will put a link up above for silver colored and white colored wigs that I've reviewed. So yeah, this is what this wig is looking like. So it is a short cut human hair unit. This is what it looks like after I played around with it. So I will put in a clip what the wig looks like when it first comes out of the package. Got some eyelashes, clips, headband, another headband. So this is the inside of the cap. As you can see, it is a full cap wig. There are no combs, and there are the two adjustable straps here. This is what it looks like straight out of the package. You cannot just put some wigs on your head and go. You gotta finesse them a little bit. So what I'm going to do is finger comb. You can like rearrange the hair a little bit. So this is the left side. This is the right side, and this is the back. I like to finger comb my units a lot. Sometimes I will use combs and brushes if needed, but first I like to start with the fingers just so that I can preserve as much of the shape as possible. But this is what this wig is looking like. It's short, easy. In terms of the cap size, I would say it's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I would say it's medium. So I don't know, what do you think this ages me? Some of you know my real age, so it's a cute wig. I like it. I mean, it's a human hair wig, so you can restyle it. You can curl it up a little more. So this is the right side. This is the left side. And this is the back. And this is how it looks at the top. So it is a full cap wig. Okay, so let's see what happens if I swoop it a little more this way. So I'm not getting any tangling. Really short wig, human hair wig. You won't really see a lot of tangling with that. I'm getting a little bit of shedding. That could be due to the color. Whenever wigs are lightened a little bit, I'm sure they have to lighten this hair a little bit. You will get some shedding, but that's the wig for today. I will put the link to this wig in the description box below. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for your support. And I will see you in the next video. And before we go, we got to do the wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig.